Yo, welcome back everybody. This is Ratworks 17. The reason why I'm doing this live stream is because we are trending on Hacker News right now. I'm actually a little bit sick. If you get that vibe, I'm sorry. I'm just like a bit sick. I don't know what to say. Let me just announce this live stream on social real quick. I'm basically posting stuff. I prepared this little thing. Oh, I forgot to attach the image. One sec. Okay, there you go. Save changes. So I don't know if anybody is watching right now because this was super random. I was not planning to do a live. I was planning to do a live stream today, but not at this hour. And I saw that people are posting about Mousefood. They're talking about Mousefood on Hacker News. So I was like, okay, it's time. I gotta just live stream now in case anyone wants to join and ask questions. So we are now doing that. I think I announced this on every platform. VLC, what the hell? Oh, what the hell was that? Anyways. So let's check Hacker News again. Hacker News. There might be some comments that I need to reply to here. So let's see. Sorry, my bad. Let me just enable Dark Reader for you guys. I wonder if it will work with async on embedded. Absolutely. Absolutely, it will work with any other embedded Rust application. The backend only provides a bridge between the embedded with graphics library and the Ratatouille render Ratatouille widget backend bridge Ratatouille widget render. So embedded graphics embassy. Let's see if we can find anything. Probably there should be a template somewhere. Okay, reply. That should be enough. UI styles in Minecraft mode, computer craft. We're bringing back those aesthetics. Also, okay, let me just reply. I'm just having fun here. Iron could it be used with the cheap yellow display? Today I learned. Actually, I could just top post here probably. Hey all, thanks for the interest to the crate. I'm currently live on YouTube. If you have any YouTube working on the maintenance. Feel free to join any questions. Alright, let me just post here. Okay, let me just scroll. Cheap little display. Cheap yellow display. So guys, in case you don't know what this is, let me just show you. I have it here. So this is cheap Oh my god, why am I lagging now? Jesus. Am I just running some heavy task? No. Anyways, so this is the cheap yellow display that people have been talking about. There you go. That's... I don't know why I bought this. So I was looking into some displays to buy, and I saw this one on some local supplier, like electronics store website, and it looked like a big one. So I was like, okay, let me just buy it. But then I realized it's an actually like full-fledged thing, which has the ESP on it, ESP32. It has the connections already done, so it has some. It has Wi-Fi and everything. Like, it has the ESP32 and the display. So yeah. Basically, that's that. I gotta check if that thing has a Rust driver. Probably it has a Rust driver. Okay, what is this thing? Okay, it is literally just Rust here. So if it's using embedded graphics, it's just gonna work out of the box. Most likely, yeah. Hello. Most likely. This is funny. This is fun. They put a little diagram over here just to know if that thing is cheap yellow display or not. Okay, I think I for sure have the cheap yellow display. That one is looking really cheap and yellow, and it's like this big, so I have it. But okay, most likely it's I just checked. And it uses embedded graphics. Sorry. Like I said, I'm a bit sick today, so I might need to take some breaks at some points. But yeah, use embedded graphics already, which means you can plug in Mousefood directly. All you gotta do next, the touch screen might be a bit tricky though. It might need some hacking on the front underside. If you could map the coordinates to, but it will most likely work if you map the coordinates to the terminal cells. Okay, just reply. You have a bitmap display, you can just draw lines and stuff without needing to rely on font-based tags. Okay, I think that's it for now. Let me see, we're on 4th place. That's kind of crazy to me still. I posted this on Hacker News just thinking that, you know, like create a new release, so why not just post it? So yeah, but I was not expecting to be on the front page. Let me send a link to the project to chat in case anyone wants to give it a try or just see what I'm talking about, what I'm working on here. But yeah, this is the project, guys. Maybe I should have just introduced the project before I just dive into Hacker News comments. But yeah, this is for basically running terminal UIs on these little tiny screens. You might do a little demo right now. I actually need to test the new version on a ESP32 because yeah, I need to see if it works or not. We have an example in here in the examples directory. Examples. So maybe today's goal might be just do a no STD demo, because we already have the Mousefood ESP32 STD demo, which is using the standard library Extensa architecture, I think. Let me just see again. Yeah, Extensa. So maybe we could just work on a no STD one in the live stream. Okay, 16 comments. I should just probably check the replies here. But okay, 16. Just keep it at 16. So yeah. I can close some tabs because I think something is lagging. I'm just gonna unload some tabs over here. So let's get a ESP32 over here and just hook it up and just give it a try. I have some stuff over here. Maybe I can just show it to you. Yes, sir. There you go. I have a bunch of boards over there. I have a bunch of ESP32 T-display. I think we can just go with this one. This is T-display. I have other kinds as well, but I think we'll just go with this little fella. One of them was really broken, if I remember correctly. One of the T-displays was just problematic to work on. I hope this is not the one, but there you go. This is what we're working with today. I need to get a cable for this as well. So many stuff on this. Okay, where's the data cable? Now I gotta find a freaking data cable. The HDMI. I think one of these new ones are what I'm looking for. Is this USB-C? Yes, USB-C. I'll find a USB-C cable now. Why do I even have what is that? Is that an ESP? Yes, that's an ESP32. W setup. Thanks, man. Welcome to the stream, guys. It's good to see you. You're gonna just watch me sort through cables now. This is what my life become. I think this is a data cable. You might just use this one. You might just use this one. Yeah, let's just use that one. Oop, come back here. So You're barely audible. Yeah, my bad. Yeah, this is basically ESP32 is what I'm saying. I'm just like, I was just talking shit, nothing important. Also, if my voice is weird today, it's because it's weird. I'm a bit sick, so yeah. Sorry about that, I guess. Sorry that I'm so weak. I'm just so weak. I need to switch to my other camera. Oh shit. Now I'll just knock on your door or something. Look at this fisheye. I need to switch because yeah, I don't have enough USB ports. I look so weird with this one. Thank you guys. Doesn't suit the grinder mentality. Yeah, my bad. Like I said, man. This video quality is so bad. Okay, this is kind of better, but like, anyways, I'm just gonna use the fisheye lens. Guys, fisheye lens or no? Which one? You pick. Probably nope. I'm just gonna go with the lens. Yeah, let's go. This is the best stream ever. How do I restart my camera? Because like right now it's, I see that it's a bit laggy. But anyways, so let's just demask this. Alright, this is actually turns out to be a data cable, which is great. Now we have this thing is just like RGB. I don't know what it is doing. What does it say actually? SD card mount fail. Wait, what? What the hell? What SD card? Do we have an SD card on this? Anyways, it has some options on it. Like you probably cannot read. Maybe you can read actually. I don't know. Probably not. You're gonna use Arduino or ESP IDF. I think I'm just gonna use ESP. So left button voltage just shows the scan network. Oh shit, it's actually scanning the net. Oh, that's nice. Just shows the Wi-Fi networks on this. I cannot show it to you for privacy reasons right now. But no networks found. Anyways, so yeah, let's just try to flash this on here. We could follow the steps. I just realized there's no like additional info about how to set up ESP toolchain, but yeah, that's not great actually. That's not great at all. What's the current ESP IDF version? What's the latest one? We are using 5.2.3. 5.2.5. Okay, this kinda old. I'm using an old version here, but let's see. What the hell? Why are we getting this image when I search for ESP RS? It's kind of fire though, I'm not complaining, don't get me wrong. Okay, what? Jesus. Anyways, yeah, I'm kind of into guitars. Okay, ESP, maybe just ESP RS is a guitar maybe? Yeah, okay, ESP RS is a guitar. Okay, cool. Good to know, I guess. Fucking hell. Okay, let me just set up the thing, man. How do I... ESP RS book, let's just... Introduction. I need to set up everything from scratch. Because I have some old versions and stuff like that. So, okay. Okay. Okay, so Hello, welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, board. Okay, let me actually search for something here. No matches. What? Oh, it's because in the cargo directory. Okay. So we only have one occurrence of this config thing. So I'm not sure if I should update it or not. How do I check this? ESP up. There should be a subcommand, something like info or something like that, but I guess I'm just gonna update it. Okay, just update it then. While we're doing that, I can just switch back to my non-fisheye lens camera. I don't need a USB port right now. Okay, that's doing that. I think that I'm looking at the wrong thing. Maybe I should look at this one. It's the same documentation. Okay. Maybe this was the docs that I was trying to find. Toolchain installation, yes, that's exactly. Yes. So it's awesome. Oh, thank you. 17 comments. Sorry, I just need to check this from time to time. I'm just wondering what people say about this. Okay, so ESP up install. I have that installed already. I'm just updating the toolchain. And that should be enough, probably. ESP configs TUI. What? I didn't know they had a TUI. Wait, do I have the ESP config? Nope. Do we have that packaged? ESP config? Nope. Okay, what? I'm actually quite interested in this one. I'll just install it. While this is installing it, let me just eat my apple real quick, guys. I had this apple laying here for a while. I just need to eat it, alright? Give me a sec. Okay, it's just taking forever, but that's fine, I guess. Can't wait. Let me take a look at the documentation in the meantime. Okay, ESP config. Let's take a look. How do I run the TUI? Let's just give it a chip then. Okay, so these are for, I think, enabling or disabling features. That's pretty cool, actually. I think these emojis mean that they are under construction, which means I think they're nightly or something. But anyways, I should probably package this binary for Arch. I think it would be nice to package it. Oh, also I need to share the new version of Mousefood with the Rust embedded folks. I need to do that at some point. Oh, we're on the third place now. Interesting. I really don't know how hacker news work, man. Like, what is the algorithm behind it? I have no idea. Anyways, so we have that installed. You have it installed, which means we have 1.92 toolchain. Let's see. Alright, so it should be all good. I will try to go ahead and try to build this. I'm not sure if ESP IDF version should be updated here or not. Note this build is not used by the PO builder. I think I can just leave it like this, or maybe not. I don't know, man. Like, what should I do here? Should I just YOLO a new version? Let's see. ESP IDF RS. I should probably override it with being careful. Like, I need to be careful probably, because otherwise it might not be compatible. I might run into a bunch of issues, because the thing is, guys, when you build this, it will basically clone the whole ESP IDF seed library, and it will build it in the background, and then kind of have, like, it will do a bunch of things. So that's why I'm trying to be careful here. But yeah, one sec. I can basically just search for this variable here, I think, because if they bumped it to something, then I can also bump it to something here, but it doesn't seem like it. Maybe they bumped it on the template, ESP IDF template or something. There was a, yeah, there you go. Why there are like two templates? Like, this is from Espressive, this is from ESPRS. I think I should use this one though. Okay, hello world template. Okay, there you go. There's some documentation, I think. So ESP-IDF version, possible choices 5.3, 5.2. let me actually run this and just copy the stuff over actually. So we're gonna run this test. Yes, 5.3. Let's do that. Nope. 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 Okay, there you go. So stack size, Rust tool chain. These are all the same stuff. This is also the same version as what I'm using here. Cargo. So there you go. I will just bump this one. I think, yeah. The rest is the same, so it should be fine. Okay, cool. I'll just use their version. I don't want to YOLO the version here. I'm gonna watch all the activity on this template, because I think I might downstream or upstream some of the changes. I will steal their updates. Steal their updated template code or something. No. Steal is a strong word. And I'm afraid if I make jokes with this voice right now, you guys won't get it. Because I probably sound very serious, because my voice is too deep. But I'm just making jokes, guys. Don't take this live stream seriously at all. Oh my god. Okay, anyways, let's just build it. Let's just build it. I've been just looking around for so long. Let me just build this thing. Oops. Now the whole build process is a bit painful, because like I said, it's gonna download a bunch of things to compile. Maybe I should have done this with less verbose output. But it's gonna be great if we could actually do this. So ESP-IDF template. I think there was another template on ESP-RS for no STD apps. Let me just go to ESP-RS organization real quick. Let me just follow these people. There should be a template. There's ESP, oh, ESP generate, right. So the NoSTD template is part of the ESP generate tool. So if you go and do something like this, it will basically ask you some questions. It will launch a TUI where you can select some configuration options. I think I'll just go with this. Just generate it. So this one is no STD, I think. And this is what I am planning to work on today. If I can get this IDF to work first, if I could just like flash that on this little device that I'm holding right now, if I could flash that app without issues, I can work on the NoSTD version of the same app. But let's see, because anything can go wrong here. It's embedded, you know how it is. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for this to compile, feel free to ask me any questions if you have any questions. Good broadcasts, thank you. Feel free to just ask anything. Let's see. Why do I see the old comment still? Alright, so right now it's building ASP.IDF sys, which is, I think, the heaviest part of this build. It's gonna pull in the whole ASP.IDF library and I will build it in the background. Background meaning that it will basically do these things. So it will just install some Python stuff. It will, I don't know what it's doing right now, but it's just still doing Python stuff, it seems like. Okay, libiucc. Okay, shit. This is just so name issue. Okay, so yeah, this is a bit annoying. I gotta just search for issues, because the last time that I had this issue, I had to symlink some soname to another soname. So this is a bit annoying. Hello, Philip. I am working on this library that I linked in the chat. It's an embedded backend for Ratatouille. It enables you to build minimal looking interfaces for devices like this. Oh man, I'm lagging so bad right now. So the end goal is to be able to render some terminal looking UIs on this little thing. So the library is doing that. And right now I am just trying to get out of this build hell, basically. This is very annoying. Sorry, I'm the guy from GitHub talking about trade for race displays. Hey, good to see you, man. I don't know why I explain all of this to you. You probably know already. But anyways, yeah. But anyways, it's good because maybe there's some other people in the chat who doesn't know what I'm doing, and they're like saying to themselves, "What the fuck is this guy doing with the little weird display on his hand," or something like that. I don't know. So okay, yeah guys, so yeah. Well, I mean, what do I do right now? Like, so what is this? I'm getting very random issues as well, like ICU package 76 to 78. So what do I have right now? ICU 78. I have ICU 78. So why is it just trying to like build that though? Like, what the hell? The last time, like I said, I had this issue before. Like, it was some other library though. So basically had to symlink some stuff to some other stuff. It was also like a version incompatibility thing again. Like, what the hell? So right now I'll just like ask ChatGPT, like, what do I do here? I remember I installed some past version of some library, but I think that wasn't ICU. Okay, 78, 78. Okay, let's see what I have. I have 78. Dude, I cannot install that though. I'm on Arch Linux. I'm not on Debian, god damn it. No, I am not in a partial upgrade state. Damn. Okay, let me just symlink, cause I'm on Arch. I don't care about anything. Best prompt ever. Let's just symlink that. Alright. So I have 78. This LDD is nope. Why is it not auto-completing this command? What is this? Oh, there's no mbuild directory, that's why. Okay. 1 second. I think it's just using the mbuild directory from my global target directory. Something like this, probably. Nope. What the hell? Where is this mbuild? Oh, it's in the cargo. Okay, sorry. It's probably here. Nope. Expressive tools. ESP clang. Okay, whatever. Yeah, the mbuild is in the target, so it's here. But anyways, I'm just gonna symlink these guys. Hopefully that won't break the universe, but anyways, we just symlink that, build again, let's see. That's why I don't like the ESP IDF framework at all. Like, it's just, you just gotta do stuff like this to make it work. And I don't even know, like, I don't even know why. Like, why is it just using that version of the ICU and not like the recent version? I don't know. Okay, what now? libxml. Great. That is great. Let's just symlink that too, I guess. Another one. As DJ Khaled once said, another one. Oh no. Oh shit, this is another. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have symlinked that. It's not using latest version of ASP. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe we could just like, wait, let me actually just use the latest version though. Let's just use the latest version, because I don't want to like deal with this hack. Would Nix fix this? I don't even know what just happened. Am I still live though? Like, what just happened? Dude, what just happened? I'm not talking shit about Nix again, because something happened and everything just crashed. But I should be live again though. I mean, hopefully. Hopefully I'm live again. I don't know. Dude. What a live stream. Let me just open up the chat. Guys. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened. Literally don't know what happened. I was just like doing my own thing and just like everything just boom, just frozen, and then it was dead. Anyways, we're so back. Oh man, Nix enjoys Riot at the stream. Yeah. Yeah. Something I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Like I said, it was just like no idea. But let me just open up my stuff again. I think I was on this workspace. I'm not commenting anything about I'm not commenting on anything about Nix anymore on this live streams, okay? I'm so scared now. If I do that again, like they might even take my whole life or something, or some shit like that. I don't know. Alright, it's scary. It's scary. So I don't know what we were doing. Just trying to build the Mousefood probably. Let me just bring that back over here. Anyways, welcome back everybody. We are live again. We are live again from the beautiful place of mine. Let's just build it. So I was trying to find the latest EDF version, I think. .551. Let's just use that. And cargo build we. How are you switching scenes and streaming, by the way? Is it OBS? Do you have key bindings or just graphical on another monitor? I just have another monitor, man. It's not, it's, so when I started streaming, I was like, I need the most basic and easy to use setup ever. So that is why I have just another monitor. It's not a like large monitor as well. It's like some regular 10-year-old 15-year-old monitor probably, and just like the whole thing is super basic. I just like, you know, use the OBS, just press start streaming and it works. So it's cloning 551 right now. 551. I don't really know of other sensible ways to do it. I've seen many different setups over the years. People use really like complex, not complex, but like they automate their workflows really well, and they know how to do it, and they know like what to do with that. For me, it's just like, I just want you to see my screen, and that's all. I just want to see the chat. So like the most basic stuff ever. Let's see if this 551 version will work though. Let's check the hacker news. We're on the 2nd place now. Let's go, people. All right, let's see. We're finally embedded, guys. We are so embedded. By the way, when everything died just now, like when the stream stopped, I basically had to reboot. So I rebooted and just came back. In case you're wondering what I did in that time, just waited for the reboot. We have Mousefood on Hacker News. Yeah, let's go. We're embedded as fuck. Absolutely, man. Absolutely. It's gonna take forever. Maybe in the meantime I can check the dependencies over there, because you know my goal is to make this thing no STD, and to be able to do that I might need to work on some of the dependencies over there. Ratatouille is luckily now no STD, so that's fine. TUI big text, I'm not sure. You might look into that later. But yeah, the code is actually quite straightforward if you're curious. These threads will be now usable on NoSTD probably though, so we might do something else there. So we have these like example modules where each one like renders a widget, and the app is just like kind of like a showcase of those things where you just press these little buttons on this device. It just like goes to the next tab, previous tab, and so on. But yeah, also one other thing that I want to do, I want to run Ratatouille on this little RP2040 0. If it's possible, I don't know, it's probably in to hook it up to a display. But my plan, hear me out, my plan is to, it's gonna be so fucking fun, man. So guys, I think you're gonna love this. I think you're gonna love this idea. So I have this 0.42 inch OLED display. I have this display, guys, look at this. It's so good, and I will I will build with these two little things. I will build the most, like the smallest physical TUI in the world. I will build the smallest TUI on this thing. I don't know, but I think it's gonna be so good. So that's the plan. I don't know. Man, how many pins do we have on this though? I don't know. Maybe that's not possible for, but yeah. Tweets for ants. Absolutely. Let's go. Actually, we could do tweets for actual rats on this. Maybe it's yeah, it's a bit large for rats probably. But yeah, and I will also like hook this up to. I'll buy a really small battery. Probably one of those lipo ones, like really small. I just hook it up to this and just gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna be so good, man. So excited for this. Yeah, these ideas come to me when I'm in the shower, man. You're gonna locate the OLED display to the 8266. No, not 8266, I think, but yeah. What is one of the cheapest supported microcontroller you can run Mousefood on? I'm interested in doing that, a project that doesn't require wireless or stuff that ESP32 has. Isn't 8260 pretty unsupported? I've tried to get it to work in the past. What is the 8266 that you guys talking about? Have I tried this already? I don't think I tried this. Not sure. I need to try it myself. But regarding that idea of cheapest microcontroller, I need to do that. I need to do exactly that, I think, in 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm on that grind. If you ask why, you know, you probably know why, because yeah, I need to present it at some conference. Not gonna tell which, but you probably know. So Yeah, I need to just like do the craziest shit ever. Like this was one of the like craziest things that I could think of, like tweets for ants. But if you have any other ideas, like running Mousefood on some microcontroller or something, I'm all ears, man. You just tell me what you have in your mind. I'll try to make it into reality, because I am super stoked about doing that. So yeah, man, this looks so cool. I need to just run Ratatouille on this. I don't know if you see it, but like this is the actual size of the thing. It's just like the size of my finger, which doesn't exist. But anyways, all right. In case you're wondering about the build, we're just still building, man. We're still building. What about running Ratatouille on a giant flip dot display? I think that would be cool. I think that was... I heard that from someone in the past, but I don't know if they actually did it or no. I think it would be cool. Right now, like... Yeah, I mean, I could just have some project like... Let's run Ratatouille on the smallest thing ever, and also the biggest thing available to us. Like biggest and probably just affordable. So maybe I will just look for something like that, but I'm not sure. Fastest Rust project build time. Yeah, I mean, this is average, bro. These are rookie numbers, like, this is fine. At least we're now compiling. Yeah, this is building the SPIDF library. So it's actually building C right now. It's not Rust, but like it's building C. It is very annoying. It is very annoying. I'm not gonna even lie about this. Like, I so badly want to make my Twitter project no STD because of this this IDF library. I had so many problems. But it works, you know, like, why am I complaining? It works. We are almost there. Oh my god. Fuck, what just happened? What the hell was that? I mean, bro, like, what the fuck? I mean, brother. Are you fucking with me? Like, what the hell is this? I can search for this, but I would probably get nothing about. This is generated code. This is generated code, so. Okay. Yeah, one thing over here. Okay, this is looking like, yeah, fuck. Oh no. Five, 1. Yeah, this is fucked. Yeah, I don't know. This is the exact... No. Yeah, I mean, similar. Anyways. You just have to release the version of the SPIDF. SPIDF master is pretty unstable. 5.5 release. Okay, let's just go back to 5.4 then. Oh my god. This is just madness. This is just madness. I don't know what to say here. Let's just go for 5.4. Just that. Nothing specific, just that. Yeah. Wait, let me just check the ASP IDF whole sys or something like that. Yeah, this is a bit scary because it says like updated a year ago. Okay. There's any issues about versions here. Maybe that's a good sign. I have no idea. Guys, you know what? In the meantime, I'll just go ahead and create a NoSTD template over here. So ESP generate. Let's do this Mousefood ESP32 NoSTD demo. Nope, I don't need. Yeah, let me enable allocations, flashing. Nope, that's not needed. Nope. Use the ESP toolchain. Don't use any of those. Just give me the template, okay? Alright, so while that cursed thing is being compiled, I'll just like kind of move stuff over to here. I think I can just like have this thing here. Let me remove that. Let me remove that. Remove the binary definition. So now it's in demo. I have to disable the profiles. Of course, I need to wait for the build directory. But in the meantime, I think I can just... What is this thing though? So in main, normally what we do is we set up the display and then go ahead and run a loop. Maybe I could do the setup part. Why do we depend on STD here? This button stuff. Duration, that's a problem. I'll just keep it simple and just initialize the terminal at first, I think. Okay, so it's installing some stuff over here. 5.4. Hopefully that will work out. So let me just move stuff, I think, from here. This IDF stuff doesn't exist on the NoSTD part here, I think. We could probably use them though. Okay, you know what? Maybe we could just wipe code this. I'm curious how AI would come up with the NoSTD example over there. I'm going to save my changes. Okay. Make the SD demo NoSTD and update the source in not mouse, okay, Mousefood. This live stream is basically waiting for stuff, which is not something that I enjoy that much, but anyways. How many stars do we have now? Because I think people just keep starring it. Okay. We're just waiting, guys. We're just waiting. In the meantime, let's just chat, people. Like, what are you guys working on? Anybody did this embedded stuff before? Anyone did anything like this? We're just waiting, man. I'm gonna actually change the music now. I'm looking into how to do that Ratatouille on VT510. Damn. Looks like I need to implement my own Ratatouille backend. Yeah, probably. That's the way to go, most likely. I do it but in C, C++. So Arduino, ESP, what do you do? Man, love this. VT510, what a legend. I did just a bit of the test Mousefood. Okay, got you. There's something called LVGL. Oh, ESP got you. Guys, I really need to do more stuff. I think I might do a live stream to try out this thing tomorrow. If I figure this one out, if 5.4 works though, I don't know if it will. Right now it's downloading something and I hope it's not stuck or anything. It really feels like it's stuck though. What is Codex doing now? Codex is just chilling, man. Really need to make my apps no STD. I don't want to deal with IDF anymore. Should just restart this maybe. I don't know. So I just got a notification we have a PR on Mousefood. Maybe we could just check that. I'm just doing multitasking right now. I don't know why I just cannot just wait, you know, but I gotta just multitask. Philip, I don't know how to say your name, sorry. Do you want to like comment on this maybe? Because I think this is related to your trait PR. Would be nice to leave a comment. I don't really understand it means no standard library, but what exactly does that mean, and why isn't the standard library available on embedded and in WebAssembly? Because I mean it depends on, like, the standard library depends on your OS internals. I can give you like really simple example. You have a clock in your OS, like you have something that counts time or something, but you might not have that on this little device. So yeah, the standard library cannot like use that clock, so you cannot use the standard library on this microcontroller. Really simple example, probably doesn't apply to the real world. Maybe it does, but yeah, that's why. Same thing with WebAssembly, I think, but I don't know the details of WebAssembly and how it runs, so yeah. So STD basically means we have operating system to help us. Yeah, exactly. So one example from Rust, you have the file methods, you know, you can open files and stuff like that. So there are like different implementations for each platform, Windows, Linux, and macOS. So standard library implements those methods for those platforms, and you just use the standard library to create a file. But you don't have the file system on microcontrollers, so you cannot use that same abstraction, you know. So yeah. Does this just display stuff, or does it also have some interactiveness such as clickability, scrollability? You can use the buttons and everything, so yeah, you can do that. You can do that. Let me scroll a bit here. Isn't SD library okay with RTOS? I think how ESP-IDF works is it uses RTOS, so real-time OS. Like it kind of uses them in a hacky way to kind of like simulate a standard library. So we are not actually using, like, we are using standard library through this RTOS calls and stuff like that. Yeah, so yeah, that's I think how it works. But what just happened now? What is this? Why did this panic? Bro, what the okay, what is this? Like, for real though, like what? I don't get it. Like, I don't get it. At least just tell me what's going on. Maybe I'm just blind. That's Zelish. You can just do that in Zelish. I think it was Zelish session. Yeah, give me a second, guys. I'll be back. I'm just opening up my session on ChatGPT. Okay, so I'm gonna just let it analyze what's going on there. And there you go, that's how I do it. Bro. Okay, let me just remove the mbuild directory then. What? Everything is breaking. Like, everything is today. Everything is just like everything is breaking. Everything is falling apart today. Linker is not found. Why? I mean, like, do I need to install it, or does it like install it itself, or what? Do I need to install a toolchain? Oh, I think it's because, yeah, because of this. Okay, now we wait again. I forgot to source the path. That's probably why. Okay, what the hell? Oh yeah, okay, it's fine. Bro, what? Wait. Wait, what? Okay, what the hell is going on? Format. Okay, I think I know. Why did you modify the stuff on this directory though? I'm so confused of like what the hell is going on. So, okay, little summary. Oh my god. Don't trust AI like this. I didn't want you to update my STD demo. You basically... What? Wait, maybe it did the right thing though. Probably not. I'm just gonna ignore all the changes in this source. Just ignore everything on this directory, man. Okay, just build again. I bought an ESP32C6 just to have a RISC-V CPU and not Extensa. It was a bit annoying to get the tool chain. Yeah, I think I also have a C6. 1 second. No, I have C3. I have this little fella over here. I don't know which CPU does this use though. It has a logo of ESP-RS. Wow, dude, it's actually this is the first time I'm looking at this, and it has the logo of ESP-RS, and it says ESP32C3 dev kit Rust 1. So it's actually from ESP-RS. I don't know. It's pretty cool. I need to give it a try at some point. When I figured these things out, probably. This noisy demo is probably not gonna work though. Wait, why are we still using Extensa here? Doesn't make sense to me. What is drive is a mounted SSD that contains password of Donald J. Trump's ex. Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. Thanks for making Ratatouille absolute blast to work with. Thank you. Thank you for joining and saying that. Appreciate it. Thanks for your kind words. It's great to hear. ESP32 and ESP32S is Extensa. ESP32C and ESP32H is RISC-V. So I have a RISC-V ESP then. It's good to know. The big text is removed, so that's a bit sad. But I guess whatever. Where do we use that though? Ratatouille logo. Big text. Voltage. We use that in voltage. Okay, so we basically remove that. But yeah, I think this might work. It also made me addicted to Orhun playlists. I can't do any work without them. That's great, man. I mean, I don't want to make anyone addicted to anything, but Orhun is great. Right now we're playing this one. In case if you want to get addicted, click the link. But yeah, everything is so great about this. these mixes, like this channel itself. I just love everything about it. Just like the thumbnails, the songs, everything is great. I mean, it just loops after the first hour, probably. Yeah, but it's great. I think I can just fix those errors, by the way. Like I will just need to import some stuff, so I could just do that. Run cargo build and fix stuff. What are you cooking now? We are trying to run some terminal UIs on this T-display device that I have. So right now we are trying to cook the ESP IDF library, which we depend on to do some funky stuff on this device. Hopefully it will work out, because I've been just trying to do this for the past, I don't know, 1.5 hours. Just trying to like run the example basically. 27 comments. What are people talking about here? Alright, now it's downloading Elf. I don't know what this thing is. rustlang. What is this? Just rustlang. It's a toolchain build helper. Interesting. And this is probably a fork, yeah. Okay, then I don't know. It's cool, I guess. Just build it and it's fine. Okay, I'm just gonna do this myself. Just need to import some stuff on voltage, tabs, gauge, voltage. Chart. Wait, didn't I just import that? Okay, chart. Okay, and to import a WEC there. Widget is not implemented for Gauge app. 38. I could probably just do this here. Or let me just do this. So just not reference it, but also reference it, or some shit like that. I don't know. Too tired for this. I'm too tired to explain everything, guys. Okay, just read the code. It's fine. It's all open source. You know, you don't need me. Just kidding. I don't even have to talk in these live streams. You can just read the code, right? Come on. Shouldn't those errors appear inline in your name? Yeah, of course they need to appear like that, but since this stuff is weird, they don't. Since we're literally building a whole ass C library to get to this point, you just don't get those stuff. You're just asking for too much, man. Come on. You have the errors, man. You just fix them. You don't need inline. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just talking shit at this point. Waiting for this thing is just making me go insane. Alright, so we're in second place, guys. Let's go. I don't know if I don't know what I'm gonna do if this thing doesn't work, by the way. 5.4, we're 5.4. If this doesn't work, I don't know which version that I'm gonna go for, but we could probably just do a quick search on GitHub to see what version people are using. I just want to see the environment. Oh, come on. Do I need to search like this, maybe? Welcome to the stream, by the way, guys. If you have any questions or anything that you want to say or ask or shout or type, just go for it. ESP version. No one is using this config, or am I just not finding it here? Maybe config tomo. It might not help, but last summer when I did ESP30 on Rust, I used 5.3.2. Okay, maybe next I can try that if this doesn't work. I think I am using 5.2 something on Twitter. Let me see the firmware here. Cargo config 5.2.3. Yes, this is what I used. But this doesn't work anymore because of so name stuff, and it's kind of outdated. But yeah, 5.3.2 is the next if this doesn't work. I highly doubt it though, because you know. All I wanted was just to run this demo and just move on, you know. That's my whole goal for the past 2 hours, but we just cannot get it to work because of the C stuff. I doubt as well. Why everything is so difficult. Maybe I should just ask this on Matrix or something. ESP RS IDF version. I'm curious if there's any like real world projects that uses this. Like I'm not talking about examples or anything like that. Okay. Blue droid. Almost 3 years ago, nope. Simple HTTP. I mean, I see not much. Oxide Spark. 2 years ago. Something recent. ESP PWM reader. Smart home system. Give it to Ralph Loop and go to the gym. I already won today, man. But good idea, not gonna lie. I mean, there isn't many projects, I think. But even if there's like an actual project which uses this, I think I couldn't find it on Crates.io. I mean, why would you publish a embedded project on Crates.io unless it's a library? Because it's probably a firmware. So maybe I'm looking at the wrong thing here. But anyways, let's just try to find more stuff. Okay, what happened? No space left on device. Great. It's my favorite error, guys. It's my favorite error. Okay, I think I will remove some stuff. Let's just remove some stuff from the debug folder. Oh my god. MBuild is 4 gigabytes. I might... I think I can just remove the trash. That will be 15 gigabytes. Okay, that should be enough. Just build again. I'm curious which version the templates to create ESP32 projects use. They used... what was it? I just checked actually. I just checked. It was a bit outdated. So 5.3 or 5.2. So 5.33 might actually work. I think I'm gonna... But haven't I tried that already? I don't know. Let's just see if this works, and I can just downgrade to 5.3 and try that one. Come on, just clang, 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 clang. Alright, we're about to get a cursed error now, I guess. Just a cursed generated code error. Oh no, okay, it's weird that we didn't get anything. It's not compiling the actual binary. What the hell? Is that even possible? How is that even possible? I mean, I was expecting to get a get a cursed compiler thing, but okay, I guess. It's just compiling the binary. Alright, guys, I guess we're in business. I don't want to speak too early, but seems like we're in business. It's taking forever though. If this works, I might actually go ahead and do the noise TV thing as well. You're not sleeping tonight, guys. You're gonna be watching this live stream for at least 5 more hours. Let's get it. Oh man, come on. It's only 10 p.m. here, I can handle this. It's midnight here. But I took a nap today for at least 1 hour, so I'm good, man. I'm good. If I go to the kitchen and get some coffee or something, I could go on for a long time, alright? Where are you from, by the way? In case you want to share. 2 hours, probably Europe or something. Somewhere in Europe. Cheers from Poland. Bro, I was gonna make it to Rusticon in March, but I couldn't get a visa. I'm still really sad about that. I just wanted to go to Poland, but I can't. Okay, let's just flash it. Just flash it. Let's see if it works. She's from France. Yeah, it compiles. We're running. We're getting the screen now. The stock firmware, I guess. It compiles, but it takes like a long time. I'll just run it. Oh wait, exit status 1. I think it didn't compile. It just did some... What the fuck is this? Oh no. What the fuck is that? Guys, I told you. I spoke too early. I spoke too early. What is this? What the hell? Some embassy, something not found? What the fuck? I mean, I'm not even using embassy. Like, what? Am I using embassy? Yeah, some shit like that. But I mean, I can just remove that probably. Oh, it's just a feature of the thing. I don't get it. Like, I don't get like why this happens. We're at the last step. Just let me go through with this. Not only it takes forever, just like craps out with a weird ass error message. Just weird. I don't know what to say, man. Wait, let me see the error message again. Undefined reference to pander. The fuck? LD proxy is failing this time. Embassy book, hold on, hold on, hold on. Why was this thing indexed there? I think I have a strong feeling that if I search for this error message on GitHub, I will find the answer to why this happens, but I'm also not so sure about this because it's so cursed looking. Okay, cannot compile. 3 weeks ago. Okay, this is something recent. With the help of Google Gemini, I updated the dependencies. We managed to compile, see this commit, but still missing a pander during LD proxy. Oh my god, dude, it's 3 weeks ago. Yes, me too, man. Me too, but how? Like, how am I gonna... Any updates? I'm also getting the same pander issue. Oh my god, this is so desperate. This feels so desperate. Oh yeah, okay, sure. Linker errors. Some people... Okay, this is me, guys. This is literally me. Linker errors while building. Some people... Okay, the solution is this thing. I was able to compile by changing ESP. Let's just update this version then. I literally found my own issue, and if this works, I don't know what to say. Oh my god. I really don't know what to say, like... I hope it works, guys. If it works, I probably won't know why it's gonna work, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, we just keep looking, I guess. Rust C 0.89. Okay, let's see. Are you using an MS time feature in your project? My hypothesis is you don't, or else you should have been having this problem already. So if you don't use just Unity... Okay, wait. Let me not downgrade, and let me just remove the time driver. Let me just remove that. I think it might work without it. What is Embassy time driver doing anyways? What the hell is Embassy time driver doing? The hardware-backed implementation that tells Embassy time passed. Okay, that's actually quite... That's actually quite crucial. Without it, I think we won't be able to do time, like time operations. Damn. Alright, let's just build it and just see if the app actually works or not. LD proxy. Okay, this guy is not using the time thing. Time driver. It then complies and the error is the same as before, but when I add the time drive feature, I get another linker. Lincoln error. Oh my god. This is weird. Okay, I think now without the time driver feature, I think it will actually build. But when I run the app, not sure if the duration stuff will actually work, because I think we depend on that. We have some duration, sleep, and so on. Not sure if any of those will actually work when I do that. Oh, I just got a reply on this, by the way. I tried for a bit to get it to work and failed. I have not a lot of time right now for this. I'm not sure why this randomly broke. Cargo lock is pushed. Panda is an embassy thing. Are we sure we need that? This project is using ASP.IDF. If you want to push a partial fix or someone else wants to wipe code their way out of this problem, please open a PR. I wish I could just wipe code my way out of everything. Just like, I wish that was a thing. But on embedded, it's apparently not a thing. I wish it was possible though. Maybe it is. Guys, remember to drink water. Oh shit, it actually worked. Okay, let's just flash it then. I'll just flash it. Alright. We are in business, guys. Everything is possible for Claude. Hello Fairs, welcome to my suffering. How are you doing? I need to re-enable my webcam, 1 second. Alright, there you go. Green tea for life. Bro, I need some tea. Can you just make some tea for me, please? I really need that. Why is it like so many things to flash? Like 999? What are we doing? This is supposed to be a simple demo app. I think without the embassy time thing, this won't work properly. Oh man, come on, this is so slow. I'm so sick of waiting. Alright, let's go. Let's see what's gonna happen. Crashes, let's... Fuck. Oh my god, what now? Yeah, that's awesome. That's absolutely great. So my guess here is that it's the same thing as same problem that I faced before. Probably the stack size is not being overridden because this file is not at the root of the repository. That's my guess, But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just rebuild. No, let's rebuild this. I need to rebuild it. Embassy time driver. I need to change something here probably. Just go ahead and change. Oh, we can change this link because now, yeah, go to transfer the app, sorry, the repo to Ratatouille organization. So we could just change that, rebuild. What the hell? Okay, what? Is it because I just removed the M build? Just restore it then. But I want this SDK config to be reused, so what do I do? I remember if you change something in here, you need to clean your build directory or something like that. Yeah, so what worked for me was deleting the M build directory and using cargo clean. So yeah, I guess I need to do that. But I cannot just cargo clean. Oh my god, this is so annoying. Target. Okay, let's go to let's go to here maybe. Which toolchain am I using right now? The ASP IDF one. Of course I'm using that one. And I can debug debs. Where's the PSP example? Bro, good question. Debs ASP IDF. Maybe it's in the build. ASP IDF sys. What if I just remove everything in here and then remove cargo build again? It'll probably work because it's gonna pick up the configuration from SDK config defaults. Probably. I don't know what I'm doing anymore, guys. Like, to be honest, I don't know if this is gonna work. If it's gonna work, it's gonna be magic to me. Yeah, it's in the Rust PSP library repo. Guys, I'll just I'll just doom scroll while this is building. Not gonna lie, I gave up. Amazon is cutting 16,000 roles to invest in AI. Damn. What's going on in the world? I like this art. Welcome to my doom scrolling live stream, people. No more Rust, we just doom scrolling. Maturity is choosing a ThinkPad over MacBook. Why is it so looking so sexy, man? Damn. Terry Davis stream vibes. Absolutely. I'm slowly becoming Terry Davis. Of course I cannot become him. I'm just joking, but I don't want to disrespect the level of divine intellect that he has. I'm just saying that. Oh shit. What the hell is this? Oh, this is the Ratatouille video game, right? Guys, let me just play this on stream one day. What do you think? I think I gotta do it. I like the graphics a lot. I like everything about this game right now. I haven't played it, but I actually like it a lot. It's just like looking so fucking fun, man. Jeez. I gotta play this. How much is it? How much is it? Ratatouille game 2007. Alright, does it work on Linux? Platforms: Wii, PlayStation 3, PlayStation, PSP. Okay. Wait a minute. Game ISO PSP. Guys, I'm gonna just play it now. I don't care. Let's just download it. Gotta go. It was fun hanging out with you. I'll take care. Thank you, Philip. Thanks for joining. We're just gonna emulate this shit, man. Only official supports CHD. Okay, what? We're gonna just download the Greece version. No, I'm just kidding. Russia, USA. Ratatouille, Korea. Look at how they typed it. It's funny. Okay, let's just download USA. $400 MB. My internet is not great for this, but I'm gonna just download it anyways. It's gonna take 7 minutes. Okay, what does this mean? Anyways, all right, we're just downloading it. Okay, it kind of worked fine again, but let me just flash it. Let me just flash it. Let me just flash it. I'm multitasking the shit out of this right now. What do you mean nothing is detected? What you mean, dude? Alright, let's get another Stack Overflow now. Definitely looking forward to that. I like my Twitter feed, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It's very really fun to just scroll sometimes. I don't get bullshit that much. I mean, sometimes. Oh my fucking god, look at this. Bro, how are you so focused even under pressure? Meanwhile, me in 2004. Yeah, it copyrighted. Oh my fucking god, dude. I just want to play this game now. That's why I don't go to Twitter. Just like get these flashbacks and nostalgia hits. Been feeling a lot like this recently. Me too, by the way. Me too. Everything has been real difficult recently. My Twitter feed is not that bad, bro. I'm just saying. Anyways, let's just give this a go. Oh my god, it is now. What is going on? We're getting something related to what is this? Just getting a crash at main. It's not even like, okay, maybe this. I mean, this T display is this T display is brand new, so I don't get it. I really don't get it. It's just like, what the hell? Okay, let me just give this to. Let me just give this to ChatGPT to analyze it. Am I cooked? Keep corruption. Maybe that's the reason actually. Maybe I'm just like using a cooked version of ESP-IDF. Alright, my last attempt at this. I will downgrade to, where is it? 5.3. I'll downgrade to that. I'll remove the mbuild directory again, and I will build it. Wait, what do you mean fresh? Need to build the ESP-IDF again. Okay, 5.3. Let's just try this one now. If it doesn't work, I don't know. And then we'll just play Ratatouille. Let me update the stream title. Testing Mousefood. I need to install PPSS PP2 probably. Oh, I have it installed, okay. What's the command to run it? I don't even know what I used to use that for actually. Okay, it's just uppercase. There you go. It's gonna be easy. I'll just unzip this thing and just give it to PPSSPP, and then we're in business. Let's move that actually to my games folder, or maybe not. Rat game. Let's just create it here. Four seconds. All right, so what am I supposed to do here? Can I just select the ISO or something? Rat game. Yeah, this one. That was easy, guys. Let's just play it. Let's just play it. Just turn this off. All right, boom. Yo, you don't have any sound though. What happened to the sound? Maybe there's no sound. Probably there should be some sound. Okay, settings, audio, sound. Oh wait. Okay, just gonna redirect this to this. There you go, now we have sound too. Boom. Yo, we're playing Ratatouille, guys. Can just skip. I don't have a X is select. What is X though? What are the controls here? Settings, controls, control mapping. Guys, 1 second. I might actually have a control. probably a decade-old controller. Yeah, it's probably works still. Yeah, it still works, but I need to get it to PPSSPP or something. Wait. Come on, just work now. Do I need to restart this? Oh, it's too loud. My bad. Wire mix. Yeah, I should have just used wire mix. Old habits. Okay, new data.
Finished. That's the last recipe for our collection. I think these will work well for the new restaurant.
Good timing. I just packed the last of the moving boxes, ready to head back.
Linguini, when are you planning to move your furniture?
Oh, no, I'm going to give it away instead. Now that things are looking up, I'll get new furniture.
Guys, what are we doing?
There must be plenty of recipes in here. Perfect for my plans.
I hope people won't come to this live stream from Hacker News thinking that I will be working on Mousefood.
What is this? Why do you sit down?
It took forever to create those recipes. Now how will we create new ones in time for the opening? Why am I explaining this to you? You're a figment of my imagination.
But I also notice what you do not. Catch that thief and you'll catch your recipes. Maybe your friends can help.
Okay.
Ah, Remy. Are you ready to start retrieving those recipes? First, you need to learn some basic movements.
Guys, this is so fun.
Try jumping to find your way. Ah, jumping. So nice that you should do it twice. Now go find your father in the kitchen. He knows where a recipe is. Just make a right at the refrigerator.
Best game ever. Hands down. Oh my god, look at these controls. I can also punch too. What the fuck?
Oh, some nice cheese. That's surprisingly fresh.
How did I do the wait, how? Yeah, there you go. There was a like running. Okay, there you go. That's how you run them. Interesting controls. Hello. Hello. Can I hit you? Little rat fella. How's the audio, guys? Do you want it to be turn it down or turn down or up, down, left, right? I'm so tired for this, but okay, let's go. Alright, let's just pick up more stuff. Where are we going again? We need to go to the kitchen, right? Let's go to the kitchen. Where's the kitchen? Where's the kitchen? Oh, beer in the kitchen, probably. To talk to this guy, probably. Hello. How do I talk to you?
I saw one of those recipe cards fly into a vent. Find a coin to unscrew the vent cover.
We're going to climb there now. Need to climb there somehow. Hello.
See that pole with the sparkles on it? You can climb it, no problem. Just jump towards it and grab on. You can climb up, down, and around the pole. If you want to get off, jump. It's amazing. There's things you can do.
Of course, you're a rat. Come on, man. This game is so good, man. Oh my god. Okay, so now we go where? How do I look the other way? Like, it's a bit weird. I'll just jump here. Oh, I'm surprised that that worked actually. I was not expecting that. Okay, now where? I'll just jump down. What is that? Tell me what that is. Chef, come on, talk to me. Anyways, I'm just gonna find that coin wherever that is. No. Fuck. Oh man. Sorry, I'm not being a proper rat here. Boom. So where do we go? To the vent? Where's that again? Yo. 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 Wake up.
Great work, Remy. I'll unfasten. I need something to pry open that vent. Like that pencil over there.
Yeah, I've already been there. You missed the cheese. Oh, sorry. Where is it? You mean this one? Wait, how do I? Okay, there you go. Now I feel like a proper rat, guys. I feel like a proper rat now. This game is so good. I don't know why I haven't played this before.
Ah, cheese, food of the gods. You can collect cheese and trade them with the merchant rat back at the colony for various things in Paris.
All right. Man, this game is so good. I'll just say that every 10 seconds. Thank you for joining, Simmons. It was fun. I'll see you on Discord probably.
Oh, that looks dangerous. Maybe we can jam it with something.
Are those spiders? What was that? Oh no. Get out! Spiders, man. This game started to be dangerous over here. Guys, if you have joined this live stream thinking that I will be working on Rust and embedded stuff, I'm sorry, I'm just playing Ratatouille right now. I'm really busy. As you can see, I'm right now working on something more important. Just carrying the screw to my dad, and just we will get some recipes or some shit like that, alright? So it's definitely more important than I'm just kidding. There you go. Let's go. Controls are really cool. Yeah, absolutely.
I bet I could use some gum to get across this gap.
Ah, okay, I remember that. I remember that one. Let's go get that one. I can carry this wherever I want, probably. But okay, what do you want to do again?
Great, you got the gum. Now get me some string.
How do I go there? How do I go there? Where was it? I don't know. I didn't see that thing. Was it on the... Was it here? Oops. What did I do? Where was that string? Missed the cheese again. Sorry, my bad. Paris, I'm terribly sorry. Okay.
Whenever you jump near something sparkly, be careful to stick the landing. Don't worry about falling off. Your balance is perfect.
Thank you. Found it. Yay. Let's go.
Right. Once across, you can grab that recipe.
What are you gonna do with the gum? Oh my god, that was
Good
so
job. Check
quick.
around the building before you go, huh? The colony will help out.
Alright.
At last, the recipe is in sight. All you have to do is rope walk across the string, and your quest is complete. Rope walking is easy. Jump and try to land just right.
What if I just fall down, man? What if I just fall down? Easy.
I did it!
We got the recipe, guys. Let's go. This game is so good. I was actually a bit surprised that I was able to install, like download and start playing this quickly. I was not expecting that. What? Okay, whatever. I don't know what that was. Oh, that's the, oh, okay, that's the level. Oh, you can buy stuff?
What you want, Remy?
I have 49.
Come
I
on,
cannot
I'm
buy
trying to run a
anything.
business here.
Sorry, man. What is this? I have one key. I can open that. Okay.
Look here, Remy. You can access other places in Paris by simply walking down these ramps. It's so easy, a child could do it.
So do I just go there? Wait, what did I do? Oh, next level, okay. What are we doing?
You made it. Good work. Now you can begin finding more recipes. There are still some things you need to learn, but don't worry, I'm here to help.
Oh no. I'm very careful not to miss the cheese. I don't want to make Ferris say that again. Okay, I'm not missing any cheese in it right now. Can we speedrun this game actually? Are those speedrunners out there with speedrun this? Oh no. I want to speedrun this game. Oh no, I missed that. No. I'm really scared of those little spiders, man. Who actually puts cheese all over their apartment? Me. That's probably me. Oh no. Okay, that was a bit scary. Okay, where am I going?
Oh, tin cans. Break them open and collect the cheese inside. Don't forget about trading them for other things from the merchant rat.
Merchant rat. This is so great. Love it. Guys, oh my god, did it just fall down? Damn. Oh, everywhere. There's like cheese everywhere. Oh, hello. You have to watch the speedrun after beating the game. Man, I'm so scared to watch that, to be honest. I would feel super bad. Probably, like, I would say, like, what the hell are people doing anyway?
This is a checkpoint, Remy. If you touch it, then lose all of your health. You'll resume here instead of at the beginning. Nice, isn't it?
Alright. Oh, is it what is that, a snake or a centipede? What the fuck is that? Oh my god. That was scary a bit. That was scary, man. Alright, let's just roll, guys. What is this apartment even? Like, there are like cheese, apple, and like fucking bugs everywhere. Like, what the fuck? So pro. Oh shit, I missed the cheese. These are chasing me, man. Oh my god. Just gotta get all the cheese now. Alright, where are we going? It's 1 hour 46 minutes. That's the speed run? That's the speed run? Jesus, man, I was expecting like 15 minutes. The one problem about this game is that the camera is a bit weird. I wish I could manually control the camera. PC version is 12 minutes. Okay, what are we doing?
You need something to help you get on top of these boxes. Find something you can carry over here.
All right. Oh wow. How do I go there though? It's kind of fun, man. It's actually more than that. All right. Just come on.
Are
Okay.
you ready to show off your acrobatic skills? Jump towards those poles with the sparkles and grab them to start spinning. You
Oh my
can jump
God.
off to let go, but remember, timing is crucial to jump from one pole to the next. Don't worry, you'll be flying through the air in no time.
Okay, where are we jumping again? Oh, here. Easy, man. No, not that easy, actually. Fuck. It was not that easy, guys. I take that back. Okay, we're just gonna go through the whole thing again. Fucking hell. Anyways. It's better than debugging. It's better than debugging ESP IDF. No cap. If you have the luxury to choose your poison, I'll be happily get poisoned with the Ratatouille PSP game. Fuck, just come on, you're a rat. You're a rat, it shouldn't be that difficult to just jump there. Can use the emulator to load the Ratatouille example. Yeah, I can. Wait, maybe not, because there was something in there which. Oh, that was cool. Now what? Okay, what are we doing with this?
This cup looks just tall enough to get you onto those boxes. Pick it up and let's find out.
Okay, we're gonna go to where? I don't know where I'm supposed to go, actually. But I'm guessing here, maybe? Yeah. Checkpoint.
Well done, Remy. I just know you're going to find all those recipes.
What kind of an apartment is this, man? What a mess. Wait. Oh my god, I almost fell down that drain. This looks scary. Oh my god. Okay, do we go up? Oh. Okay, now where do we go? No idea. Graphics are god tier, bro. What is this bat doing there? Okay, and then what? I don't know, I'm a bit lost here, to be honest. I'm just collecting cheese. Can I get in this thing? Drain maybe? Maybe. Oh yeah, I should probably go there. Good thinking. Thank you, Ferris. More cheese. All right, we going in there. I got a lock in, guys. Things are getting serious here. Oh my god, I missed the cheese. Sorry, my bad. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. The camera controls, because it's sometimes weird. Where are we going, man? Oh, what happened?
A golden mushroom. These are rare, Remy. Very rare. When you eat one of these, you will be...
Interesting. I can just walk through everything. Nice. Man. They really outdid Ratatouille with this game, man. What the hell? I like it. I like it, I approve. Let's give this game 10 out of 10 on some game ranking website or some shit. These spiders are really annoying though. I'm still very surprised that my controller from 15 years ago still works quite fine. I'm gonna get all the cheese, man. I gotta get all the cheese, man. Who's this?
Remy, there's a recipe in this apartment, and there's a big dog. Maybe you can distract him to get the recipe.
What?
Jump on that door handle, Remy. I'm pretty sure you're heavy enough to open it.
Oh, there's a dog. I hope it won't start chasing me. Yo!
No, 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 no!
I lost the game. What control is it? I don't even fucking know, bro. It's just like from a long time ago. It's not even a PS4 or PS3, 2 or 3 or anything. It's just like some random USB controller that I used for many games. Yeah, old games, man. I love fucking old games and love this game especially. Oh, what is that? What is that thing? Cupcake.
These will replenish all of your health.
Well, I cannot eat that because I'm already a pro at this game, so I'm never getting damaged. How do I go up there? Can I jump on these poles? Can I jump on the bed? I don't know. I feel like I need to... And to jump on this thing to go up on that thing, shelf thing. I don't know. Like, what do I do? What do I do? Go back. Oh no, what is going on here? These guys are back. No, leave me alone. No, leave me alone. Alright, just go up there. It's probably not how it goes, but... Okay. Oh, maybe from here? Almost. Come on. Oh, finally. No. Cannot believe that was a time bait. Fuck. Okay, I gotta be quick now. I think I'll just get back to the Mousefood thing soon, by the way. I don't know since when I'm playing this game. I'm kind of lost time right now. Probably been at least 40 minutes, 30 minutes, probably.
Give your jumps a little extra oomph if you are patient. When you let go, you will fly like a bird.
Okay. What? I don't want to go back. Oh, fuck it, man. I'm done with this for now. Yeah, 30 minutes. Okay. How do I save game? Oh man, I'm so cooked. I feel so tired after this. Okay, I'll just kill the window. Guys, I'll be back in a minute. Let me just use the restroom. So yeah, PC speedrun finished 3 times already. Man, I just feel bad. I just feel bad. All right, that was pretty fun though. Are we still on Hacker News? Yeah. Really neat project, but Rust on Embedded. Haven't tried it yet. Has anyone got experience comparing it to C++? Rust on Embedded uses a HAL layer which is vendor independent. I like this one. The API uses some clever patterns called type state to ensure at compile time that your peripheral config is valid. If you take GPIA2, you can do that again, so you can't give the same pin to 2. I think they meant you can't do that again. And if the driver expects a pin configured as output, you can't give it an input pin. Yes, those are really fun stuff. Like I really like those little compile time guards, so to speak. Embassy framework. Async actually makes main things on embedded easier. Nice. It's a pretty good comment, I think. Okay, now we're downloading LLVM. No STD demo. I think this should be pretty good to go. No, it's not so sure though. Like I said, this will be my last attempt at working with this ESP-IDF thing, and if it doesn't come up like I expected, then I will just give up for today. But 533 seems very promising. We could actually get it working, I think. How big is this LLVM thing though? Yeah, this is also what I get, this libxml2. .533. What? Yeah, the libxml exactly is the exact same thing. No, actually, wait a minute. Oh, this is because I sim-linked that. How can I revert that sim-link? I see you sim-link. I think I need to delete some stuff. But I mean, even if I do that, okay, let me just revert it. I might actually report this to well, this is not part of the template, but yeah, report this to maybe ESPIDF. To do a full update. Well, if I install this ICU library, my system is basically destroyed now. No, I don't want to destroy my system, to be honest. So how do I avoid this then? Like, I need to somehow pick the right version or something like that. So 533. I'm just gonna go with 5.4. 5.4 worked, but it was the stack. I think we get a stack overflow or something like that, right? So 5.4, and without the embassy driver, maybe, or maybe I could just like try the other workaround, which is just this. Did it work? Yeah, I need to go to and then remove some IDF stuff. Okay, let's try this one. I'm basically trying every possible combination. So 5-3, and then we go straight to 5-4. Let's see the release notes of that. And when was this? 5-4 release? January 2025. Jesus, man. When is this last release? September. So, since when they're not creating releases? Okay, so the last one is from December. Man, time flies fast. $700 is crazy. Just gonna download a bunch of stuff now. It's gonna take a bit of time, I think. I'm just taking a look at my notifications. Come on, man. The bad thing is I cannot do anything else while this is building because the log file in the target directory is active there. I'm not sure if the TUI big text is no STD compatible. Can check. This probably is. It's in the voltage module, I think. The problem is the durations, so delay stuff. I think, okay, it makes sense. It's using the ESP Hall delay here instead of the actual STD delays. That makes sense. Okay, that is promising. I'm just curious if building this will actually work. All right. Alright, let me get ready to flash this. I hope it doesn't crash now, because the last time it just crashed. I downgraded the dependency though, it should be fine. You never know. Guys, if you have any questions or anything that you wanna talk or ask, feel free to go ahead and use the chat. It's been 3 hours, so I'm super cooked right now. But if you wanna chit chat, I'm all ears and I'm here. It's a lot of config flags. Yeah, that's just insanely big configuration. I mean, I just you know what I want. I just want this to work. All right, that's all I want. That's my dream. That's my dream. Let's just run it. It's gonna wait for fucking 2 minutes to get this thing fucking flashed or some. Okay, it just went up to 1,000 blocks or dependencies or whatever this is. It was 999. Now it's 1,000. So we're making progress. We keep it 1,000. Always keep it 1,000. You know. I don't know if that's progress or that's. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. We're just gonna wait more now. Probably 10 more milliseconds. But yeah. Yeah. Just run. It's another crash loop. God damn it. God damn it. Main 41, okay. Let's see where it's crashing. Peripheral stake. It's just crashing at peripheral stake, man. What the I mean, what can I do? Okay, just never mind. Let me just try to build the NoSTD app now. Format charts. Okay, we're gonna add the format to charts. Tabs. I think that calendar thing is not supported. Just don't render anything there. Alright, I mean, at least we get something from the NoSTD demo. If I could just flash it and if it works, that would be even better, but I'm gonna see in a second, I guess. Not sure why this is crashing. It's like peripheral stake. If NoSTD is also crashing at that thing, I would suspect that this device is broken. But we're gonna find out. I hope this will be faster. Nope. Okay, we have something. We have this, guys. Just broken screen. We have broken screen. Okay. Progress, I would say. No idea why. What? Huge progress, yeah. Well, we don't get like any logs though. Wait, maybe it's just stuck here. No, my app is stuck here. I'll try reset. No idea what's going on. Yeah. Yeah, I think the codex thing is just fucked up. I think that's why. I think it's because of the codex. Okay, now I cannot even flash. Dude. Just break my device or something? Okay. Any idea why my app is crashing at... I didn't change anything in this code, it should just work. Okay, idea 5.4. Okay, now let's see. It's just crashing at the peripherals. Take. .4. Okay, let me just give this guy the whole versions and everything, because I don't know, like, I just gotta figure something out here. Wait, what? I'm in main. I didn't know about this, by the way. Is that even a thing? There's no such thing as app main. You're just hallucinating, man. Wait, there's an app main, but it's not like that. It's like this, I think. This main is coming from yeah, you gotta just do this, I think. Okay, build logs not available. I need to browse the documentation, but it doesn't exist for some reason. Is this the same thing that I use in Twitter as well? Yeah, it looks like it. And in here I think I use 5.2. Oh man. It just works here, but here it doesn't work. Should I just build in a Docker container or something, man? Because I feel like that would be easier. Container, Docker. STD training, container, Docker. I think I'll just use the container, guys. I mean, this is extremely annoying. Anyways, I'll just try the container next time. I guess thanks for joining, everybody. I'm gonna just go now. I'll do some work on this tomorrow probably. Still gotta build a small TUI on this RP 2040, so I got a lot of things to do. We'll see how it will go. But yeah, thanks for joining. I'm out. Yeah, I don't know what to say. Ferris, if you're around, see you next time, man. And for anybody else who watched through the end, I don't think anybody who watched it, I don't think anyone watched it thus far, but thank you guys. You mean the world to me. And insert some other stuff like this, whatever your imagination. house or whatever. I don't know what I'm saying. I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. I'm out.